Trasdata, there are two ways to read an ECU. You can either go in by vehicle specific. So if we want to do an Abarth and it is a 595, we know what it is, 1400, it will then tell us what processor should be in that ECU. The other option, if you know what it is, you can just go direct into what processor it is and what protection the ECU has. So if you know it's a GPT, you just go to the GPT. If it's any of the T-props, you can pick T-prop as well. Once we've decided what it is, we can have a look at the different applications. This will give you the manual to wiring it up. So if we look at that one, the manual shows you what cables to use, what part numbers, what different plugins it will be. Good pictures and showing you the board and the pinouts. Like I said, uses the same pinouts as what the K-tag does.